Preparation of cash flow statement. The method which we use to calculate net cash flow from all the three activities have already been discussed. While preparing cash flow statement, full detail of inflows and outflows are given under the prescribed heads, including the net cash flow. The total of net cash flow is calculated as shown as net increase or decrease in cash or cash equivalents. After this, the amount of cash or cash equivalents in the beginning is added and the amount of cash or cash equivalent at the end of the year is calculated. This amount will be the same as shown as total amount of cash in hand or cash at banks or cash equivalent in the balance sheet. Another point that needs to be considered is that when cash flows are calculated for operating activities through indirect method, then the statement itself is known as indirect method cash flow statement. If the cash flow from operating activities are worked by direct method while preparing the cash flow statement, it will be termed as direct method cash flow statement. Unless it is mentioned clearly as to which method is to be used, the cash flow statement may preferably be prepared by an indirect method, as is done by most companies in practice.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.